Not every email you send serves the same purpose. Understanding the difference between marketing emails and transactional emails can make both work harder for your business. A marketing email promotes your products, services, or brand. Think sale announcements, new product launches, or seasonal promotions. These go out to a list, and recipients must opt in before you can send them. A transactional email is triggered by something a customer did. Order confirmations, password resets, shipping notifications. These go to one person, and they don't require opt-in because they carry essential account information. 3 differences matter most. First, marketing emails are sent to groups. Transactional emails go to individuals. Second, transactional emails need to arrive in seconds. A delayed password reset loses the sale. Third, marketing emails require explicit consent under regulations like CAN spam. Transactional emails don't. Best practice: send them from separate IP addresses so a spam complaint on a promotional campaign doesn't tank your order confirmations. Keep branding consistent across both. Same logo, colors, tone, and personalize where you can. Even a shipping notification can reference the customer's nearest store for easy returns. Both email types are essential to the customer experience, just in different ways. Visit Mailchimp.com to try Mailchimp for both marketing and transactional email.